Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the iPhone 16 Pro Max and specifically the battery life. I am on the beta of iOS 18.1 with Apple Intelligence, and I've asked a few people who are just on the regular build as well of iOS 18.0.1 or whatever the one is that just came out, and the battery life in iOS 18 has been not so good recently. I can kill my phone, or not kill my phone, but I can drop my phone about 15% just using like social media in about an hour. And I didn't know, I was like, maybe it's just me using my phone more and not realizing it. I picked up this Moto G Stylus 2024 right here. And this thing is a battery beast. This thing will last me all day. I haven't charged this, I don't have that thumb set up, but I haven't charged this since yesterday. We're at like 30, I'll have that 30% right there. But like I said, I haven't charged it since yesterday, and I didn't even charge it fully. So the battery on that thing is excellent, but my $1,100 iPhone here takes 2 charges to make it through the day, whereas that one I can charge it and use it literally all day and not have to worry about it. So if you guys are having any battery life issues on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any other iPhone for that matter with iOS 18, let me know how your battery life's doing, all that kind of stuff. If you have an older iPhone, did you lose some battery life? Does it seem like you lost some screen on time since iOS 18 came out? Or how has it been for you? Let me know down in the comments section below. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.